Replacing a garage door motor can be a daunting task filled with unexpected challenges and potential pitfalls. Understanding the garage door motor's vital role helps you appreciate its importance in your daily life. Signs of a failing motor may include strange noises, inconsistent operation, and frustrating delays in response. When your garage door struggles to open or close, a new motor might restore its smooth functionality. The complexities of heavy components and intricate wiring can turn this seemingly simple task into a professional job. Regular maintenance after installation, such as lubrication and safety checks, can prolong your new motor's life. If you encounter specific problems like unmanageable weight or persistent malfunctions, calling an expert is crucial. Professional technicians bring their skills and tools, ensuring that your garage door issue is resolved efficiently. It's essential to recognize when DIY may lead to unintended consequences, so trust your instincts and knowledge. When faced with uncertainties, seeking expert help guarantees that your garage door will function safely and efficiently.